In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove the existing version of GOLANG in your Kali Linux, and I will also show you how to download and install a specific version of the GOLANG. So first, let's check which version of the GOLANG I have with the go version command. I can see I have the version 1.20. I want to remove this package. So I will type in which go, and I can see the path to my GOLANG is user bin go. To remove that, I will first copy this and type in sudo rm space rvf and paste in the path. Press enter, and you can see my Golang has been removed. If I now type in Golang version, I can see the command go is not found. Other than that, I can also do it with the apt package manager by sudo remove golang go. You have to put apt sudo apt remove golang go. This will remove the package itself, and if I also want to remove the dependent packages, I will type in sudo apt auto remove golang go. Now all the dependencies will also be removed. I can also check with the sudo apt purge golang go, and I can see that it's completely removed and nothing is there. But for if some reason you want to install the Golang Go with the apt package manager, you would have typed in sudo apt install golang -go, and you would have pressed enter. I do not want to do that because I want to download another version of Golang. So I will go to my browser, go to Google and type in download Golang, press enter, click on the first link. From this page, you can see the download button here. Right click and open link in new tab. Go to the tab and you can see this is a page for all the releases of Golang, and I can see I have two stable versions. One is for 1.20, another is for 1.19. I want to download 1.19, so here I can see the OS is Linux and I want to download this file, the archive Linux, which will support both 32 and 64-bit. I want to download this file. If you are from a Mac or Windows, you can choose any of the other files, but I'm doing this specifically for Kali Linux, so that's why I will click on this one and it will start downloading. Wait for the download to get finished. After your download is finished, open up your terminal and change your directory to the downloaded location. I can see my download has finished. Now go back to the first tab. Under Go installation, make sure you're selected Linux and first change to the root user with the sudo su command, and then from here copy this line and paste it here. Change the already existing file name with your file name by copying your file name and pasting it here. We are removing if there is a current version of a Golang existing our local repository, and we are also extracting this file into the user/local directory. Press enter and the file will be extracted to the user/local directory. Next, what we want to do is we want to add the user local go bin to the path environmental variable. To do that, type in mousepad tilde /dot profile. You can do it with other text editors too, but I'm using mousepad here. You can do it with nano or vim. Press enter. Now copy this line and paste it at the end of the file. Ctrl+S to save, then close the file. And to make the changes take place immediately, type in source and again tilde/dot profile. Press enter, and now your Go has been downloaded. You can check by pressing in Go version, click on enter, and you can see I have successfully downloaded and installed Go 1.19.